Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, we will learn about hard drive data recovery services. So let's move to the topic. External and internal hard drive recovery services. Drew Savers, the worldwide leader in the hard drive data recovery, helped pioneer the data recovery industry in 1985. Home users and businesses alike rely on DriveSaver to perform physical hard drive recovery and to recover lost data from failed internal hard disk drive, external hard drive, and USB thumb drive for Mac or PC that cannot be accessed by normal means. DriveSaver data recovery export consistency recover data from hard drive that other services providers have deemed lost forever and in a fraction of the time. Deleted or missing files including photos on your laptop or desktop data hard drive can be retrieved with our proprietary recovery hard drive tools. Before you start to panic, keep in mind that physical hard drive recovery of even the most obscure data is routine for our professional team of recovery hard drive experts. Better technology and simple solution at the reasonable price. We offer our decades of experience recovering lost data from internet and internal and external hard drives. Did hard drive server failure or is your device just not working? Don't worry, Drive Saver data recovery engineers are expert at physical hard drive recovery and will help you or your businesses from losing important data. Get a quartz now for headaches recovery. We can save it. Each data loss situation is unique. The improper use of data recovery software could put your data at risk. Logical problems, firmware corruption, file system corruption, lost password deletion, partial overwriting, physical damages, hard hit cache, media damage, reformatting, controller actuator failure, damaged motor, bad sectors, natural disaster, fire, flood, tornado, earthquake, power spikes, certified ISO clean room, maximize recovery result. Driver saver data recovery engineers are the best in the industry at handling physical hard drive failure and logical data corruption. We recover more lost data from dropped, damaged, corrupted, and traumatized drives in one day than the average provider does in 1 month. Each data loss situation is new and unique. DriveSaver operates the industry's largest state-of-the-art certified ISO clean room environment and has developed proprietary tools and techniques that allow us to deliver custom data recovery solution for all common and catastrophic data loss situation. Our experts check your device thoroughly and during the data recovery process engineer carefully disassemble data storage devices, inspecting them for physical damage and performing component level repair to minimize contaminations and maximize recovery results. All physical recoveries are performed in drive servers. Clean room environments, the most technologically advanced data recovery clean room environment in the industry. It features three separate ISO certified clean room areas: ISO class 5, ISO class 6, and ISO class 7. For inventory of over 20,000 drivers are stored in an ISO class 8 clean room. All data recoveries are performed in accordance with standards set by leading hard drive and data storage manufacturers. Our data recovery process will not void the original warranty. Our engineers understand encryption and how to recover files from hard drive. They have been trained and certified to safely recover file level and disk level encrypted data. We can recover from encrypted hardware, software, email, network file, web page storage, and backup devices without compromising the original level of encryption. Image only. Data is recorded and stored in an image only format and returned to the system with the original encryption intact. You decrypt the data yourself. Full decryption. Encrypted data is recorded and decrypted by your engineer with you, providing the encryption keys to verify the integrity of the data and return to you encrypted or fully decrypted. The power to give your sensitive online data hidden in large completely in your hand. Fast, reliable, secure, persistent turnaround time in the industry at 24 to 84 hours. Immediate phone access to experienced data recovery advisors 7 days for weeks. Certified secure data recovery. When sensitive data is being recovered, maintaining a high level of security isn't an option, it's a requirement. We know that privacy can't be taken lightly. DataRescue is the only data recovery company in the industry that undergoes an annual SOC 2 Type 2 audit, adhering to the corporate industry standard for overall control structure. The SOC 2 Type 2 audits assure our customer that every aspect of our facility and network is secure enough to protect personal and confidential data from a security breach during the data recovery process. At the heart of our certified secure data recovery environment is self-dependent network protected by a defense in-depth architecture that includes firewall, interaction protection system, managed security services, and 24/7 real-time monitoring. In addition to providing the highest level of preventive data security in data recovery industry today, DataRescue offers a high security service that adheres to US government protocol and support law enforcement agencies and other legal entities in United States and abroad, providing full legal compliance, security, and confidentiality. Clients like Bank of America, NASA, Goddard Space Center, the Department of Defense, the Smithsonian Institution, and Lawrence Livermore Labs have all trusted DataRescue with their critical data when they needed hard drive recovery services. I hope you will enjoy today's lesson. Thanks for watching the video.